nanka minim se wi ase we ni se obi ya ade na onu no nanka be pa chewa anka o de be che no furu akoma mu nyina de a che no but where there Mugabe Maase and was wonu no ho is o pa Napo acho nti Napo fa ne ba ne nche no Ghana for nsi Napo so onim na so de che Mugabe Maase a obeche amayayam Ghana for na be kasa o mje se e man Napo fa nche Mugabe kura da on siw no na nyenyan sesua e ma afofra wo no aka be ma nchiribu no akere wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section hi Penyah block media mess wa say ni di mu obe like video no da ma bro subscribe button sa be click notification icon no features update sa be kire wa adwen da amame e wo comment section oba so a no ache force enya bia hwe ne me kan phone nala money send app e na de amount wo USA wo UK so person send ka ediko fia no for say for me code Penyah TV essence ka e fa kofi no be che e cool $20 hey 206 win e omu nko a e na such an amazing offer o say omu ho a what is got watch this kind of Sunday are very smooth on Sunday ya na koduru Ghana na mu ho na no ya sai actual $20 for free e na ran kwa used to be na yenko na busia it was May 2026 and out of now brother doom some sense e be daja on the internet no Mugabe Maase e kwatena TV XYZ ni show ne so na ho no o come make some accusations and allegations against Napo and your former minister for energy and o chire mu say Napo na ebo nipa ni bi pa etuatua 1.5 billion old cedis emma nipa bi se omu nhyere no ndum light no na yen fan blame with this current government NDC
the person me bo video no na wo awutie mu nsem na wutie wi a afei ne maba be kasa nti producer team obi akọ Facebook live 197 TV SYZ Ghana munyai audio no to ma me ntie nsem a ekoso
enra tama Mishia me frɛ wo no from any 3 days wensa na po yeni na papa yeni na mu nyina ko hia mu wo abua kwa agogo guy bi na wa bi hospital bi na mfrɛ mo say Dr. Tam da so no na hospital ho na MPP ni da panifo no na to ni panifo ne ba ntima da git panini mu nyina ene barekase ne Asofia MP no o mu nyina be hia Omobeshia no oma obia 1.5 billion and tepa district engineer or buy asante mampon district engineer or buy or fenso district engineer or baby asokwa district engineer or baby ajuso district engineer or baby afichasi district engineer or baby bebi ni district engineer or baby asante bekwa district engineer or baby engineers ni na buy manso district engineer or baby obuasi district engineer or baby omo nyina buy obi abaje 1.5 billion no mde koye nti Napo ai barekase MP no barekase Asofia MP no o kan kire offense engineer say enne Sunday say wonum Asofia light me na o kasi na fa me waswa me bi onwachi be mbe Napo be fa bia me heda dim say me MPP no me fa information no nti barekase MP no kan kire offense engineer say na wonum Asofia nti Asofia mo na extra time wonya na nyimre a wonya no pa wonya na nyimre sa nti me gidi se ba o me Sunday obedumu no se ba o te me nka sa na eko
obeka nsem we e ma that day no e hu sem be say Mugabe Maase esma wo kan pa no kre how sure are you they na ma confidence say Napo ebe say adwuma bi e ma de chenye no Napo ebe ka say Napo ka say mo no ka say ne ade Mugabe Maase aye no obe drag no to court obe sue no e there was a lawsuit against Mugabe Maase as they demanded 20 million Ghana cedis it is no 200 billion any retraction of words any public apology it's in Napo sue Mugabe Maase e that day no kra no Mugabe Maase e ba ni show no so be ka say oh no yen serve no with any court writ bia na even say Napo sue na yen nyina yom o mu nyina be court obi ansoro bia on Napo nyina be court
once a man for her say send the messages say Mugabe is it true Napo SEO yes me de menya nkrata ni bi nkenkan de but the me say Napo SEO Mugabe any SYZ and I'm more than ready. I will meet him in court. I say I'm more than ready and I will meet him in court. I don't want to say anything about it, but I say I'm more than ready and I will meet him in court. And I thank God for this. I thank God. My angels have spoken. I thank God for this suit. Asoba for na kasa. And the timing is good. Asoba for na ye de oma kasa. And the timing is good. Yes, Asoba for na kasa. The 900 million angels, they have spoken. We will meet in court. We will meet in court. That's all. Me supporters no any NDC for no mo kama kuma tomo yem. I say we will meet in court. I will meet Napo in court. Very well, let's move on. Just by the way,
the point obi antimi rehuna no na ne 900 plus angels no and the buy na angels make kasi o makasa wi ono onsuro bia say obeya aboye obedwa na num but it was out of nowhere. Recently ya June ya mu ebewura July ya enu say Mugabe Maase aba no show no so enipa obedwa na num say oni na po nyina be court say na po ni court on so be meeting o court on mo no obetan show say now no o sele na po mfa nche na on kwa ne best friend pa ene na po na po emfa nche no na say kan anya no kure wonu no hwehwe sai na po emfa nche no.
We played an audio on this platform about a year ECG in Ashanti region, which in that a year audio no Napodin appeared in the a year audio no so on Kofobi and MPP for Kofobi akwa meeting. Mugabe Maase amiti enya de sema betina ha aka se Napo akwa di bone ana se ECG engineer bia yeden akwa di a year bone. Napo is a brother. Me call London Mimi akuma ene Asante Babes Kambawa mini omotena for close to about 7 years. Napo call London na Kambawa Babes won we Mimi Asante the same Asante no so na me call London na na me yi miti baby ana miti and just about a minute walk to his barbering shop on Nikita ene ada Babes nyina enti sa recording na audio na ye bo ha no se edo how be e de abre yenua Matthew Opoko Prempa Mijina SYZ Broadcasting ya Power FM room any TV SYZ tum as a general manager and host of this program said the bia metana me catch say me bubibi na say ade no enfi me side am ka say allegedly and I use the word allegedly it is a edo how be e de abre and former MP for Mensia South, right? Yenya Matthew Opoko Prempa de kan say de yebo ha bia na twesan de de chopan so ye den e de mano do ha bia bre oni na busua ene ni ayonkofo a yesese eja yesese ni keje ni asida nemum praye wokaboma emu ba wuyi ba ko na obu a ye den ebuje NDC ni MPP yenya atamfo enyina yeto nsa ye den edidi tesi enu apanyin no se a audio na ebo ha no e do ha obi abre na yesrese ye twesa audio no sai eto kono nchen na odo a wo ye ntem da bia ye tena se a ye kan ha no ye hwehwe mu aya ye ekire se that said ye meeting no bibia sa anye den amaso nti onmonyamfo Matthew Opoko Prempe ya 2024 elections now ye running mate to ye papa Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia how be ade abre obi ana wadawroma adwobrɛwo obetwe na wo so wo de atofom bɔkɔ ade amaye ne de odo na wo ye ntem de bia no ye de abom asom saa so na mo a ebubo mu din edin bia ni wa omubo wom about the engineers but it was say Ashanti region some of the engineers me say NDC unions no mo anye happy with that audio na ye boy no nti yegina ha say unions no moso mone workers ni nyina no how be ade abre mu bia no SYZ broadcast ye say momfa nye den momfa enche echopa mo den ye de mamu nyina sanso ena bia ebeto dwa on that audio no say meeting na ho ne course no time da so ho no ye papa on de ne na ne didwa ewa ha ebesere se nyina momfa nye den enche na yento aso yemfa odo no emom ne enye adwuma sene ye ne da bia no nti enua Napo our senior brother we render unqualified apology to you and we retract whatever that we said here and then to the workers we retract and apologize and to time that so we sincerely apologize for that audio that we played here. Let's move on as one nation.
Emma, me posted this particular video on my YouTube account also. These are some of the comments here. Ghana for actually Ernest Kisi actually say respectfully, Mr. Napo, don't forgive this man. Use him as an example. Why are human beings so wicked? Because of your cheap politics. I say Napo, Mr. Wada. Any day kwanso Napo, me musa wada da Napo, me fero onimpa me nkasa onim kurada. But we da me slow. Napo me slow. I was said in the penny be a scapegoat. No musua nyansa. I serve us a lesson to the others. China so. Anna Janet Iseldazi actually said, Napo, take him to court. Don't accept any apology. We are watching. I said, Napo, hey, from Mugabe court. Apology way, die. I'll call on any baby. Onu ne ho. Sika sema ba muntia, ye twa ne damage ntia, onu ne ho. Napo, fane court. Chino iride de fane court. Look, Yabua, as what you say. Where are the 900 angels? Abua biba, hey, Mugabe Maase. 900 angels, no more. I feel that's more than a on Quano Pacho. I don't know. 900 angels, no more. Abua bizao, omway. And $1 pound, say, they will pay for their evil act. I say, and Mugasia good pano. You will pay for it. And then I'll say a FIFA, especially say, this should set an example for the rest of the liars in Ghana. The NDCs think they have succeeded in lies. They can continue with same. Napo should never forgive. Napo, Madam Angelina Simen Councilor said, Napo, and fine Mugabe da. So the channel go modin da. Me come channel. What the channel say, oh modin da. Anna Allegas. Allegas say, no apology should be accepted. Nonsense. Hey, Napo, any apology beyond to me. Anna Samuel, I bet you say, because of apology, that is why people keep on fooling around. People's deliberate offended and later come and apologize and say, anybody be said that edim kwa asem later one will say pa chomo fanche Napo and fanche da. Ana me woman Faustina Taylor say only time is the ultimate judge. They say time on kwa do be ono bi jimia obi di wujimia o de mane bre ebrena so an okra be pie. Time is the ultimate judge. Me woman Faustina Taylor and I can say Anna Bright upon I say when did Honorable Napo become your friend? Masa Penyah tell Honorable he shouldn't accept this apology. They think they know everything when they sit on their radio station and TV stations. Hey, Penyah, me slow Penyah. Catch it Napo mommy. He say, and when Napo ntia da. Napo, and when ntia da. Na sanka se afu e mo ngo tru mo show no so a. Aso munni mo nyansa se no bia ti o munni bibia. Catch it Napo mommy. Napo, obesi me nto wonkra. Ana GH say, please Napo, I mean this. Never ever forgive these people. Deal with them. Don't disappoint me. Please, deal with them. Other here. And find chewo da Napo, not even in dream. That is so grandma. Any woman ni mani sia nyansa. Ana asama force natural say, please Napo, don't listen to anyone and let NDC for pay. Hey Napo, entie obi a Mugabe Maase achopa we. Entie no. Boneka Ibrahim Muhammad betua 20 million cedis obetua Boneka obetua Ana Gabi actually said Napo don't forgive him. Hey Napo Misrao Napo enfa nche da. Ana Mark Anson actually said if Napo forgive this Mugabe then I will say he's not fit to be the vice presidential candidate. Oh yeah, hey Napo make out. So when you mean him at the chair Mugabe Maase and your wo you are not fit to be the presidential candidate. When you're fit, send Baomia, ever appointed class, be the presidential candidate, be any candidate. When you're vice, you don't have any vice president material in you. Anna Frank Kubi, actually say, no apology should be accepted. And apology beyond to muda. In comment there. Or mutre be hey, Georgina and say, Papa, don't forgive him. He knows what is right. But he was fooling. Only mudia ya pa ba no retratro. Only sense more can anya no kre. Ya china onya oni evidence. But no retratro. Napo enfan cheneda. Ana Susie nti as I say, please Napo use him as an example, and sue him big time for them to learn sense in their lying politics, especially Mugabe Maase, the ex-convict. One of the useless journalists in Ghana is this Mugabe and Captain Casanova Smart. Nothing good comes from them. Napo, don't spare him. As he started fooling for too long, he has started fooling for too long. Napo, chinimu my manente enfan chenida. Ana asadeba for amwa. Everyone say, hey, Mugabe, who's Napo your friend? When did Napo become your friend? Dabeya, wo dabe na third pen Napo sem dabe na Napo be down for. Who can say Napo who is your best friend? Debi basa. Any be twa damage intina. Obey Napo your friend. Napo nyawa down for crash. Stand well. Napo your friend da. Just say in comment section there. And someone now man for can say, and man Napo and fan channel da. Now come media no so. Sa na man for eka. Ese e man Napo.
But Nyekta me pese ye Mame Samira Bawumia and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enti nkomo we ni say. We are sick and tired of almost silence e social media no so. Ene nkrofo bi ensem a wo ma ka to omo so a. Oma remain silent a wo mo pese wo metu anamo bia no. We eye Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe and atu ho anamo. And this shows say yet your man we mu a the NDC ayomo say entrobia na sembia no wo beka e de atu nipa so esan say obi ntu ho anamo a legally e de ho nsunsu so bone e de bebre nipa na ama nipa na bonka yet ha no obi abeka or Samira Sebe ni naked video obi se ne pant da Bangladesh obi se Bawumia wi apetishi obi se Bawumia wi prako omo ya hwe mo ni lawyers anase den. Don't you have legal team wo mo manage mu mabusia no ana mo ni say defamation. How do you take it? Napo aka to just say oye bibi uka bibi fa no ho na say enye nokra oye MVP ni obetimi de achew. But so oye NDC nia he will sue you 100 times. And Mugabe and a pa ho chew no. This should tell Ghanaians say, especially the NDC say, what can throw man we musa. At the point I will show evidence and evidence and say force. And then they all patch out. Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, ye mu binu wa ya defend on the fact that en semu amanfo aka wo ho wo ye arrogant umu ade wo ye say ni nyina no ye nyina ye num say you are not such person. Yes sir. Ye Mugabe deal with serious case. In fact, miamu the compensation na fakota aduane pharmacy bi nkwala wo nam street so you don't know them. Fabito hospital bed fa cheche. Next time obi be ka ho asem a obehu said de wo be ka asem no na dance wo mu no he will prove it. Ye mu bin mu omo ni silver shine ya to si e di dware wo ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ye boka wo social media hani e think company e command ni e chimi ya brew Dr. Bawumia de Mame Samira Bawumia we are tired say ya to omo ye to so clean ni e hu nkone aba e di dware mo because amanfo kan semu a no kore nim efa mo ho e na ma agya omo you don't act. This guy has rendered an unqualified apology to Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe and Dr. Napo obi bia said ya wa share ye boss obi bia obeka wo asem a no kura bia nim you sue the person no sue nipa no because amanfo afa ne say because say omanya pamata de bia hye wonti asem bia no wo na wanim ye ha omode just let us establish this na Ghana for hu no say we can say any other thing but enye ni nyina so ne wo ho kwan. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Mame Samira Bawumia amanfo nsem a wo mo kafa mote because ye di mo ho adanse a mote ye kam ho nsem bone a mote. You don't sit say ma jaina akra so kwa no ma wo bi abafan bi na kwata na nkosiafo bi na obia kika se ma ope te hanum say ya. This is the video ni me be bo onu ankasa na numa se ma wo pa na poche say wa ye bone wasre one cancer and honorable Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe yesre wadaroma ye de ye bekoso a defend mu akwawe jisikano social media akra MPP for mo kasama MPP kura no majority of them e wo ha wo mu hia support hospitals amanfo hia support ema bia akọwo womanya sika amfa ntua anje omo ho fasa sika no ko beli omo. In fact, if you forgive this gentleman Honorable Napo, please, some of us will be disappointed in you. Jisikano asem na wono ankasa beka no bebre wo ho nsem no bebre gu social media en futuru na wo mato agu Ghana fo and you say this is the MPP, this our leaders, and this is a right direction. Timisremo mon forward video we na nka Mama Samira Bawumia ene ye papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say sanko for no omo hunu omo social media ho a omo kan kire ni omo mrante no mo social media ne say wa we hu video sabia no forward it to the legal team mo de mo ma ye nchi nipa no ntumu kra nipa no ngoda court now prove beyond reasonable doubt, because we are sick and tired of defending this on social media.
And bia nam de true manim say ye Mugabe Maase aguyewura Dr. Matthew Poku Pempe hu fi ama yewura Matthew Poku Pempe asiru no wahu Jimmy ana meka no Ghana nsem twefo da bia meka say about 90% enum nsem twere adwuma no because omo ye school dropout obuwa SS no wiye one pass no a onim kasa kakra no akonya konso anim atena no akoye 2 months course bi wasem ye nsem twere ni no abetena register no odi jimie afra nsem twere adwuma na wo ye no no odi te no ojimi no ogun krofo ho fi ene dia wo be ba ka che se yewura Matthew Poku Pempe enua bi ye baba e wo kamba wo e ho na yi uti na enua ne Matthew Poku Pempe wo ye jimi ni pa no wasa abodam tama na wo gu ne ho fi de na nim se ne nua e wo kamba wo a wo yitire eti wo ne nua no mo nyina mo yibuti wo nti wo mu ne ho fi wo gu ne ho fi awie ama ne de wa court de na de wo ba be ka che se ne nua o kamba wo yitire nti no mo nyina mo ye brada masa court asem na wo court no ye die awie ama na fefe coffee go enya wagi se wo ba be patro ama yewura Matthew Poku Pempe ko yi asem na ba fi am ya beka da bi as o chapa na wa pa no ya gi atu ya da ase why ade na court asem na wo ho ne de masa ye di ama na fefe coffee ko si awie so so wa jimi a misi jimi o hoi ano o hye e dam so wa jimi a ye de court asem ba hukuru ani so yo clear muti sa radio station ni sa TV station ene nkwasi asem ene mu gu nkrofo ho fi muti ho na mu gu nkrofo ho fi ene de wo wanso anu ayemre tam na wo boss tape nu wakunkoma ye se Lufthansa ye betuo na asi enya wo wanya ayi Matthew Poku Pempe wo be gu ho fi won se de cafe wo de wanu ayemre kwasi ampani wusu wajimi be se ye di jimi ohoi anu o hye e dam ye de court asem ba huru wani so wajimi muti sa radio station this TV station na jimie ne nkwase akeka ene nkofo ho fi na man wan se mo chewo na mbeguo obi di tape abrɛw onya hwehwemu enam se wo ti se ye Matthew Poku Pempe MPP ni na ye mfa ntum ne ngun ho fi kwase ampani me se court asem no ye bedi ama na fefe kofi me see yewura Matthew Poku Pempe si enya ne so enipa ba se miensa wo politics mu a enka nkwase asem ne nkura asem a mo betena wo radio so bi TV so a mudi no kamo ajai me ni Matthew Poku Pempe pani me dawasi bebre kwaso akwanto asem na me si ye di ama na fefe kofi ye nyi ba akokora mfirim so so magimi me dawasi bebre oba no ahya ma anu aso atie bi
Obeta kire wa adwene e de ama me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.